Keeping your Hyundai Exter's infotainment system up to date ensures optimal performance and access to the latest features. There are two primary methods: over-the-air (OTA) and USB updates. OTA updates are wireless, convenient downloads via your car's Wi-Fi connection. They deliver software enhancements, bug fixes, and map updates directly from Hyundai servers. To use OTA, you'll need an active BlueLink subscription and a stable internet connection. USB updates involve downloading update files from Hyundai's website onto a USB drive, then plugging it into your Exter. This is a good option if you have limited internet access or for major system overhauls. Both methods ensure your system remains secure and compatible, so choose the one that best fits your circumstances. Map updates ensure you have the latest road information, points of interest, and traffic data. Hyundai Exter provides seamless map updates over the air through partnerships with mapping providers like Here and Google. For Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, updates typically come through firmware updates and smartphone OS updates. These updates improve wireless connectivity, offer faster pairing, and expand feature sets, such as advanced voice controls and in-car gaming. Regularly updating your maps and ensuring compatibility with the latest Android Auto CarPlay versions enhances your overall driving experience. Check Hyundai's BlueLink app for the newest available updates and instructions.